Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple ways how to make your home smell amazing during spring cleaning. The first way to do this is actually to use baby oil to shine your stainless steel. Baby oil has a really light, fresh smell that I just think will be perfect for the springtime. It works really well at shining your stainless steel. Just make sure that you're moving in the same way of the grain of your stainless steel. If you have some crusty bits like I do here, take a little bit of vinegar and buff this in, and that will easily get rid of any gunk or grime that you have on top of your stainless steel. The vinegar will also help sanitize if you wanted that to be a thing for you during your spring cleaning, but if not, you can just use the baby oil and buff it into your stainless steel, making sure that you're going in line with the grain, and you can see just how shiny that looks. And the baby oil actually acts as a coatant or a sealant, and it helps prevent other smudges and things, so you don't have to shine your stainless steel as often, which is always a plus. The next way to make your home smell amazing during spring cleaning is to actually just dilute down a little bit of fabric softener with water. You can put this in a bucket and use a sponge to clean doors, trim, crown molding. I used this to scrub my walls, and it smells amazing. It has a great fresh light scent, which is my favorite thing during spring cleaning. It also worked really well for getting rid of marks and scuffs on walls, because fabric softener, it actually acts as a natural lubricant, so it worked really well for getting all those crusty things that are like on the baseboards and things. It made it super easy to come off, and it's one of my favorite hacks that I've learned recently. The next way to make your home smell amazing during spring cleaning is actually to take a little mixture of baking soda and essential oil, spread that all over your mattresses, let that sit for about 20 minutes. You can go as long as you want. Go ahead and vacuum up that baking soda and essential oil mixture, and it leaves your whole room smelling great. It revitalizes your mattresses, it helps deodorize the mattress, and it's a great easy way to spring clean all surfaces, not just your mattress, things like couches, recliners. I've even used it on rugs. I'll link a couple videos down below for you guys where I do that. And it just revitalizes your couches, your mattresses, deodorizes it, which is a great thing. But it's a great way to do it if you don't have access to a rug doctor or a carpet cleaner, things like that. You don't have to go out and rent them, and it just leaves them feeling really refreshed, and I love doing that when I'm short on time.